YouTube, what it do? It is boy Al here, and today I'm going to be going over how I made $400 on my accounts today on my fundeds, $1,500 on my eval account on Lucid because they have a really good deal going on right now. So pretty much just going to go over what happened today, all that good stuff. If you guys are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you do like my content, right? I'm as upfront as they come. I tell you guys my losses, I tell you guys my wins. Unfortunately, again, this career path, man, you're never gonna have full consistency, full wins every single day like all the gurus online are telling you. It's not the case. But I can tell you that if you do want to change your life and you want to retire your family and you want to do something that's going to be a few year process, this is the way to go, man. You know, and be smart about it. Don't be stupid like I was when I first started, man. Blowing countless amounts of money that, you know, $70 here, $200 there, $400, and blowing my, you know, funded accounts. And just, it was a repetitive process, right? And that's why I preach what I preach on this channel, to help you guys become successful and actually get $1,000 payouts or $2,000 payouts, you know, even $500 payouts, right? We think realistic on this channel rather than unrealistic. That's the point, right? If you guys are new here, I trade the 15-minute orb, okay? We trade that at 9:30 to 9:45. I've talked about this in the past. I have traded at 8 a.m. as well. Same exact pattern, same exact candlestick strategy. The only difference is right now we are in the market where it's volatile, man. You know, the market's absolutely crazy. We are at all-time highs right now, and that tells you all you need to hear right there, because we don't like to go against the trend, man. You know, and let's just pretty much go over what happened today, right? So if you guys are new here, you don't know what you're looking at right now, this is called NinjaTrader, okay? You can get that on prop firms such as Top One Futures, Apex, Lucid. There's a few other ones, of course, but those are the ones that came to mind. You guys can use my code GGG if you want to support me on Top One Futures. I highly recommend them. They have a 50% off sale right now. Top Step X is pretty good as well, but they don't have any sales right now. Lucid does. But what we're looking for, right, is we're looking for a high and a low, and you can find that right here. I have plenty of videos on my channel going over the strategy, so I'm not going to go full in depth about that. You can go check those out if you want to. Basically, all you're doing is you're setting that 15-minute time zone, right? You're setting a high and a low of that 15-minute candlestick, okay? So basically, you're just sitting twiddling your thumbs from 9:30 in the morning until 9:45. You're not touching it. You're not doing nothing. You're not going to hit buy. You're not going to hit sell. You're going to sit there and you're going to wait. You're going to be patient. I'm not a financial advisor either, so if you guys are new here, yeah, I'm just a random dude telling you how I make my money. You don't have to do it. You shouldn't be listening to me anyway. But basically, that's what I do, man. I sit, I wait, I be patient, and once I see this candle, close and go on to that next 15-minute candle, I switch from the 15-minute to the 5-minute, okay? And what we're looking for from that point is a closure on either the top side or the bottom side of those lines, right? Of the high and the low. If it had closed underneath here, we're looking for shorts, which means we're gonna be going down, right? If we're looking for up here a closure, we're looking for bullish momentum. And I always talk about this on this channel, right? You want to be looking at the daily bias as well. Obviously, in this kind of market, it's very hard to do so for the most part. Today was actually pretty simple, just because we have, you know, from 3 in the morning, we've been bullish the whole time. So that obviously helped me make my choice here. But basically what you're looking for is a bullish closure, which you guys can see on the 5-minute right here, right? Simple and easy. We're looking for longs, we're looking for buys. Simple, again, shouldn't be that difficult, right? As you guys can see, and I've talked about previously in the past, what you're going to do on this next 5-minute candle is wait and be patient. You're gonna wait 3 to 4 minutes and you're gonna see what is happening in the market, right? You obviously see this is a massive grab right here to the bottom side or to the downside, right? But we basically sit here and we wait for a long opportunity, right? Because this could have kept flying down and more, and I wouldn't have even touched it. I wouldn't have hit buy until I saw a retracement back up here. I know some people will go in for shorts as they see it, you know, approach these lows. I don't do that personally. As of right now, I just don't. When we're in a bullish market and we are at highs, we're going high. We're not going to be going lower. We're not going to be going shorts. It's stupid. Don't do it. Again, there's certain moments where you can do it. Like right here, if you had obviously perfected that, I guess you would have been completely fine, right? I don't trade like that. Again, we all have our different trading strategies. We all have our different bases for why we do what we do. I just recommend waiting, again, 3 to 4 minutes into that candle, and I had put my buy order right here at 29,997. And reason being, I tell you guys, is because I want to see that we're actually going to see new highs before I go in for a buy. I know to some that sounds stupid, but to me it doesn't, right? Because like for me, I'm looking for, are we going to continue moving higher, or are we just going to come up here and grab a little bit of momentum to move back downwards again? Like if, with this bullish candle right here, right? We could have easily come right here, grabbed a little bit of liquidity, dropped, right? It can happen. But for me, I want to see it grow a little bit higher than even this high right here that you guys are seeing with that 5-minute closure to begin with. I went in for a buy, again, long. I want to go long, I don't want to go short. I went for a buy and I got out, I think at 36,070 something on my funded accounts. I don't remember exactly what point, but I didn't know how much further it was going to go. And clearly I'm happy that I did that because again, we only went up a little bit longer. I think my take profit was at 30,100, which would have been 600 rather than 400. But like I tell you guys all the time, take your profits. If you're not sure and you don't know, take your profits. You have to learn how to do that. You have to learn, hey, you know what? We're at $400. What's the difference? You know, I mean, I guess $200, sure, right? But what if it goes around and turns around on you? Or you put it at break even, you go down to a $0 win when you were out $400. You know what I'm saying? Like, these things truly matter. It's how you're going to build profitability, right? If you can make $400 or $500 a day, you're in a good place. I say it all the time. Go for 600, but if you can't and you guys see that you're up $400 or $500, take your profit. If you're not sure, take the profit and run. That's pretty much it, man. It's as simple as that. We looked at the daily bias, bullish closure. What are we doing? We're going bullish. Simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you guys have any questions, please put it in the description. Code GGG if you want to support me. My trading channels for Instagram, TikTok are in the description. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.